Yeah. I don't know, she has a friend who has a Jeep, and she said that they might bring her home. We've got almost 12 inches already, and the heavy part hasn't hit yet. I don't know, I'm going to take the dogs out and put on my ski jacket and I'm going to play with them. It's a great day to be home. What's that? Oh yeah. Yeah, I was going to go up to the mountains, but you know, they're saying there's a good chance if you go up to the mountains you're not coming back today.